What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing some vinyl stickers. So if you want to see how everything turns out, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Okay, today I'm working on an order for vinyl stickers for an 18-wheeler. I actually have been getting a lot of those lately. And some, I actually have two kind of in progress right now. I have to print these two out or cut these two out today. And this person, he's going to put them on his own truck. And then I have another one where I have to install. So hopefully I can get that one done either on video or during a live stream so that you guys can check it out. So I got everything set up right now. I actually created the design right here in Photoshop. So I'm going to move it over to my vinyl cutter or to the cutting program, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it out so that I can get everything ready so that the guy can pick it up later on today. Okay, I have my roll of sign vinyl in my vinyl cutter set up. All I have to do is line it up and go ahead and print it. And for those of y'all who are new, I know I have a lot of new subscribers. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately. I appreciate it. I really appreciate y'all. If it's any videos or questions that y'all have, y'all make sure that y'all leave it down below if it's any videos or questions that you would want me to do a video on or whatever, or any subjects, or you have any questions, leave it below and I'll do my best to answer it or do a video if it's necessary. Now there is a difference in sign vinyl and t-shirt vinyl. The sign vinyl is also called sticker vinyl, and decal, you call it vinyl decals usually, and the t-shirt vinyl is HTV or heat transfer vinyl. So just so that you won't get it confused, because I have had a couple of people that was like, had different issues with that. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and line everything up, and then I'm going to cut out the design for this truck, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Now when you're cutting out t-shirts in vinyl, you have to mirror the image, which means to print it out backwards as you would see it in the mirror, because when you lay that vinyl transfer down on your shirt, then it will appear the way that it's supposed to. But with the sign vinyl, you just print it out just as it is, and then you use transfer tape to transfer it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut out and let you guys check it out. Alright, I got everything set up. Let me unroll the vinyl just a little bit in the back, and a train would come, but I'm going to go ahead and start it to cutting. As you guys see right there, I'm cutting it out too thick. I actually have the wrong blade on there. So y'all see what happens? I didn't check the blade. I didn't adjust the blade correctly right there. So y'all see right there, it actually cut everything out too deep. That's the wrong blade. So yeah, like I was telling y'all about the glitter vinyl, you have to have the correct blade for whatever material you're using. I'm going to go ahead and switch the blades out and try this again for you guys. Alright, here's a close-up view of what happened. It was cutting way too deep. So, yeah, it pretty much cut through the whole transfer sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up again. And everything should be right this time. Alright, that's looking a whole lot better right now. Right there, that you can tell it's cut, but it's not cutting all the way through like it was. So I'm just gonna let the machine go ahead and cut this out, and I'll check back in with you guys once I start weeding. Oh, I actually forgot to tell y'all, I have to actually cut out two. So the first one is cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the second one out and weed them both on camera momentarily. Design cut out. It's actually two of them. Sorry, it's a little glare on it, but because I don't have to actually install this one, all I'm going to be doing is putting the transfer tape on here, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Actually, I might even leave it together because it'll probably be easier for them if I leave it together. But yeah, this is basically it. And if you guys have seen 18-wheelers, I mean, this is basically, you know, what you see on the side of the 18-wheelers. So I'm going to go ahead and get my transfer tape and squeegee so that I can go ahead and put the transfer tape on here. And that's going to be the last step for me, because this person is going to install their own decal onto their own truck. Alright, that's basically it. And just peel it up. And make sure that it's all stuck down. This is basically it right here. And right here they can go ahead and cut that part off. But that's basically all you have to do is do it like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut off these excess edges, and they can actually use masking tape. They can use masking tape to tape this to the truck. Yeah, they can just use some masking tape and tape this to the truck, so and make sure that they have everything lined up. And truth be told, I don't really do this a lot. I've been getting a lot more, probably because my prices are cheap. I charge $25 for each one of those decals, because you know they need 2 decals to go on the truck. They have one for each side of the truck, but I charge $25 for each one of those. And if I have to install it, that'll be an additional $15 to $20, unless they bring the truck here, and you know, maybe I can charge 10. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both the green and the red channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me at T-Shirt Chick TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.